We're back with glitches on Call of Duty 4. I'm going to show you some. Actually one, but you know what I mean. Yeah. Got a regular controller. Yeah, I can know that. The last one.
What the fuck?
I think I reviewed it. I don't know how to get under the map.
Is it making now?
Yeah, I think it.
Well, stop
Dad.
it.
Why? No.
Because I just swore. I just said about it.
Why? Okay. YouTube likes it. Okay, I swear to God, YouTube.
I think Nikki's bugging.
Hell, it's not letting me over. Yes, I'm over. Hey, YouTube. Hey, YouTube. I'm going to show you how to get under the map and walk. Hold on. I'm going to show you how to get under the map. Now, you should be in this hole under the map. You can walk around. You see all stuff. See? Zoom up close. Now, you should be under the map. And you can walk around and do stuff. If you could. And that's how to get under the map. If you want to get out, switch teams. Wait, hold on. I'm on that team already. And then you should be somewhere else. I'm still going to show you some more glitches, so actually, see you later.